Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be starting on the laundry room. I am so excited because I've been waiting to do this room for a while. This door behind me is the door to the garage, and we come in through that door multiple times a day. And this room is just a disaster. We have so many things to do in here, paint and new flooring and cabinets. And so let's go ahead and get started.
So I'm starting off by just removing all of the junk from this room. It has just been collecting stuff from when I've been working on other projects. I'll just stick it on these shelves. So we're going to go ahead and get all of that out of here, and then we're going to remove all of these shelves so we can start with a blank slate.
Don't get around, but there's something about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like.
Okay, here's a trick for when you have like bigger holes in your drywall and you're going to be filling it with spackling, but there's nothing behind it, so it could just go all the way through the drywall. You'll have to fill it so many times. Is you can take just a little small piece of tissue or paper or anything like that and then put it in that hole, and then that way when you put the joint compound or spackling on top of it, it'll have something to stick to stop it. You won't have to use so much.
To settle down, there'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
All right, everything is patched. I just need that to dry. I want to do some like cabinetry all back here, but I can't do the cabinetry yet because before I do that, I need to put in new floors. Before I put in new floors, I need to paint. And before I paint, I need all the spackling to dry. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna take up some of the baseboards in quarter round to just prepare for whenever we get ready to do the floors.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. flying through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been into places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other.
Day 2 of the laundry room project. We got the walls primed. I did not do this back wall behind me because I have plans for it, cabinets and things going on it, so I wasn't sure what needed to be painted and what didn't, so I'm just gonna wait on that. But it's time for the wall color for the other 3.
I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
Okay, the paint is drying. I'm pretty sure it's gonna need a 3rd coat, but I wanna go ahead and get started on these floors. It's time to rip out the last bit of this ugly flooring.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing.
Okay, we got a few things to do today. Since the flooring is done, we need to install that quarter round down there and right there, and then we need to put a baseboard back right there, and then we need to put some door stops so we don't damage the walls, and a few other things.
Show me your love like it is.
is like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone.
Okay, I went through and filled all of the holes from the nail gun with wood filler, and we're gonna sand that down and paint. But while we wait for that to dry, this is what we're gonna work on. So here's how I want the washer and the dryer like pushed all the way to the left, but there's the dryer vent and it doesn't line up, and I don't want to use a hose because I want it to be able to be pushed back as far as possible. So I'm going to try something else. This is a periscope dryer vent. So one side will connect to the back of the dryer, while the other side, this one, connects to the dryer vent. And it's also expandable, but I think ours, we're gonna have to mark it and pull the dryer out, measure, mark it, and then we're gonna have to cut it to make it a little bit shorter because I don't need it to be this long, but we'll see.
But something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind.
Okay, I'm using this foil tape because I want to seal up like any cracks so I don't let any of the air out so it can function more efficiently.
And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
this is where we're gonna stop for today's video. This is the end of part 1. We have painted the walls and laid the flooring and put in a lot of the baseboards and toe molding, and we still have so many more projects to do left in the laundry room. I'm really excited about it. So make sure that you're subscribed and tune in next Saturday so you don't miss part 2 to see how this laundry room turns out. Thanks for watching. Bye.